Today I'm going to share with you the natural user interface called NUI. Okay, so NUI is because of the new medias that we are going to transfer our interface from GUI to NUI. What's NUI mean? NUI means natural user interface. For example, it is like a 3D touch. For example, if you have a 3D object inside an environment, you can totally interact with the 3D object intuitively. As far as GUI, it is confined inside 2D space. So for example, GUI, the main four elements for GUI is WIMP. W means Windows. All the GUI, all the elements is confined with different windows. For example, if you go online, you can see like all the elements you want is inside window. When you click another buttons or menu, sub-menus, it opens another window. So window is kind of a canvas for GUI. I means icon. So all the GUI, the user need to interact with the buttons or different icons or different texts. So it kind of like you can interact with those 2D icons, and those are kind of like interact points for GUI. M means menus. So all the GUIs elements are being archived or being displayed by menu system. For example, if you go to a website, the home page, and then when you click menu, you can see different sub-pages. So it has the hierarchy. So if you see the menu bar, you just go there and click the hamburger menu. You can see all the different information under it. So that's the way that GUI categorize the information. And P means pointer. For example, how can you interact with all the informations on the GUI? You use your mouse and you transfer, like the mouse transfer your 3D gesture inside your real environment into a 2D cursor, like the pointer. So when you move in front of your desktop, like in the real world gesture, and it transfer into a screen size, the cursor. So the mouse will click to where you wanna achieve. So the 3D gesture inside the real environment is really different from the screen that you see. So that's not natural. However, NUI is more intuitive. For example, it will let you instantly from the novels to the experts. For example, if you see a 3D object in front of you, you can totally manipulate the 3D object in front of you. So there's no different translation for your gesture. You can just directly manipulate the 3D object and it will go the way that it should be. So this is more intuitive. And gesture control. For example, if you see a bug, as far as in GUI, you need to use your cursor and click the next button, which is not natural. However, if you see inside a VR environment, if you wanna flip to the next chapter, you can just use your hand and flip it. It's more natural to the user. And voice control. For example, inside a car, if you want to talk or make a command for another kind of application, for example, if you want to play the music, if you want to talk with someone, it's easier to use your voice control rather than texting, rather than press the button inside a different screen. So that's more intuitive. And as like Bill Gates said that with the NUI, computing device will adapt to our needs and preference for the first time, and human will begin to use technology in whatever way is most comfortable and natural for us. Yeah, so that's the difference between NUI and GUI. And we are in the era where we are transfer ourselves to GUI to NUI. Yeah, okay. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.